Hi, and welcome to Witchcrafty. To get into the Christmas spirit, I thought I'd make some Among Us snowmen. These are based off the snowman in the Polis map, and I think they make great Christmas decorations. Here's a list of everything you'll need. The Minky I use is a 1.5mm polyester Minky, and I buy my fabric in bulk from AliExpress. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free for my DeviantArt and also my Pinterest. It's the second link in the description. Make sure it's scaled to an A4 piece of paper to achieve the same sizing result as in the video. The first thing you need to do is take each body side and sew up the dart at the top. Then, place both body sides together with the tracing showing and sew them around the curve, leaving the straight edge open. Take two bottom halves and join them together along each straight edge. Align the calves to the circle so all tracing faces up and sew them together around the outer circle only. Align the body to the inner circle so that the seam aligns and begin joining them together. When it's nearly completely sealed, flip it upright and stuff it. Close off the gap with an invisible stitch. For the visor, sew up both darts on each end. Pin this to the top of the body and begin sewing it on using an invisible stitch. When it's almost all closed off, stuff it to give it shape. Then, close off the remaining gap. Take each of the oxygen tank sides and align them to one main piece and join them to this so all sides and corners are sealed. Align the last tank side to the top and begin sewing it on. When you've almost reached the end, flip it upright and stuff it. Close off the remaining open edge with an invisible stitch. Lastly, pin this to the back of the snowman and use an invisible stitch to join it. And that is how you make an Among Us snowman. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!